What's up, guys? Welcome to Big Doss TV. I'm here today with my friend Gabby, and she always feels harassed when she's at the gym.
Yeah, I feel like guys are always staring at my butt.
Are you watching my girl squat? Bro, are you serious, man? You watching my girl squat? Are you watching my girl squat?
I'm actually watching my...
No, dude, you're watching my girl squat. You put your face like right there. Are you serious right now? You watching my girl squat?
No, man.
Bro, I saw you looking at her.
No.
Yeah, you were watching her squat. I was watching you.
Was I?
Yeah.
Oh, my bad, dude.
Dude, I don't really appreciate that.
Dude, oh, my bad. I'm sorry about that.
Are you serious, bro?
What's good?
You watching my girl squat? Yeah?
No?
I saw you looking at her.
Really? No. My bad, man. I'm not. I'm just trying to get lifted.
I saw you looking at her butt, though.
Dude, I'm just lifting, bro.
You watching my girl squat right now? Are you watching my girl squat right now? Because I feel like you're just sitting here just watching her squat.
I already watched your girl.
Yeah, man, I saw you. I was watching you watching her.
I already just seen her working out. No, I wasn't.
Yeah, I saw you looking at her, dude.
You're mistaken. I was not looking at her at all.
You were looking at her butt.
No, it wasn't, bro.
Dude, I was watching you.
I'm sorry, man.
You were watching my girl squat.
Get out of here, man.
No, dude, I saw you like made eye contact with her ass.
You serious?
Yeah. You were just staring at her ass.
I don't know who the fuck to figure out, but I'm not doing
You
that.
guys walked up, I was doing it this way, like this.
No.
Yeah, I was.
No.
It was.
No, dude, I don't believe you
I
guys.
was doing it over here, but I'm gonna hit him.
Well, guess what, dude? You're actually on the Hidden Camera Prank Show. Thanks, dude.
I'll set up.
Thank you.
See back there.
Yeah, dude, that's awesome.
Yeah.
I'm just joking. We're making a little YouTube video.
Oh shit! I was like, what the fuck? I was like, dude, he was standing right in front of me, started squatting.
You're like, I might have looked at it.
I was like, alright, maybe I did look too far.
You're on the Hidden Camera Prank Show. There's a camera right there.
Fuck you, dude.
There's a camera right there.
Okay, man, just fucking with me like that. Fuck you.
Alright, guys. Thanks for watching the video. Be sure to follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Till next time, subscribe.